Can you talk to us about your new drone?
Yes, this is the brand new EVO Max 4T, brand new platform. So this is very distinctly different from the previous EVO Lights, EVO Nanos, EVO 2s that we've made, in the previous years. Running brand new flight control, brand new transmission, brand new, autonomy. Basically everything is new. So let's do a quick walk around. So first off, the obstacle avoidance system has been greatly upgraded. So this is a 720-degree no blind spot obstacle avoidance. You got two fisheyes at the top. You have two fisheyes at the bottom. You have your sensors in the front and back. And this will offer you complete coverage because the fisheye, they extend all the way to the side. What is also new about this system is it has millimeter wave radar technology for obstacle avoidance. So front, back, top and bottom. And this will allow the drone to be basically flyable in the rain and flyable at night during, and with snow and light snow and stuff like that. Obstacle avoidance will be working very well.
So how long is the optical zoom on that?
Optical zoom is 10 times optical, 160 digital combined. We have a 4K wide angle sensor with a 0.78 inch sensor size. Very good for low light photography. We have moonlight algorithm. We have a special camera team that does the tuning with the raw sensors. You also have a laser rangefinder that can detect objects up to about a mile away. And then you have the 640 by 512 thermal.
Oh, okay.
That's the payload. The entire payload is held together by basically two screws. So you can just, after those two, you can just slide it right off and then replace it with something else. Maybe a future payload, or if you want to upgrade, or you want something else, night payload, mapping payload, who knows, it's out there. We also support payload SDK, so if there's any third-party companies that wants to make payload, they can just, put it right in.
So what's the resolution of the sensor?
Resolution will be 4K. 4K, and I believe it's 48 and 50 megapixels respectively. One or the other, yeah.